Hello! Woohoo! This video is gonna be also for Jiyoung. Yay! Okay, I think on my pronunciation I already practiced, so I'm gonna read a highlight part from this book that I already showed it to you. That it's so beautiful. 예쁘게 말하는 내가 졌다. So let's see. I think that today I'm reading better. So you tell me, okay? I already read this part here that says, let's test it with our AI. 마음을 움직이는 대화의 온도.
The temperature of a moving conversation.
The temperature of a moving conversation. 온도? Temperature. 움직이는 moving, something that moves. But I don't know why they use this word temperature. The temperature of a moving conversation. Because it's warm, right? Something like that, pretty sure. And then I'm gonna read the highlight that it caught my attention, so I'm gonna read it. Okay, I'm gonna read until there is a period or a comma. 예쁜 말은 그 말을 듣는 상대방을 긍정.
An old saying is to affirm the person who listens to it.
Oh, I got it. I was nervous. So that's why I stopped reading. Wait. Again. 예쁜 말은 그 말을 듣는.
What's a pretty word?
예쁜 말은 그 말을 듣는 상대방을 긍정적으로
Pretty words change the person who listens to them positively.
Ooh, I'm getting it right. Very good. But I haven't finished. Oh, wait. I have to finish it. 예쁜 말은 그 말을 듣는 상대방을 긍정적으로. 예쁜 말은 그 말을 듣는 상대방을 긍정적으로 변화하게 해줍니다.
Pretty words make the person listening to them fairly comfortable.
The word 변화, it's just that I'm making it too strong. So 해줍니다. 변화하게. Let's try again. 예쁜 말은 그 말을 듣는 상대방을 긍정적으로 변화하게 해줍니다.
Pretty words change the person who listens to them positively.
Good. 예쁜 말은 pretty words 그 말을 듣는 상대방은. Okay, so the person who listens 그 말을 듣는 상대방을 긍정적으로 positive, something positive. change 변화하다 해줍니다. Oh, well, of course, the person who listens pretty words, they change positively. Okay? Then the next sentence. 큰 힘을 주기도 하고요.
It gives me a lot of strength.
큰 힘, a lot of big strength. Also known as lot of strength. 주기도 하고요. 서로에게 다가서고.
So go to each other?
Nope. It was two words. 서로에게 다가서고. 서로에게 다가서고. Wait,
to each other.
I'm
Small
telling you
country.
that it's two words. Okay, let's try again. 서로에게 다가서고.
Stand close to each other.
Okay, I have to pause. 서로에게 다가서고.
Salt to each other.
다가서고. Don't stress, just let it go. 서로에게 다가서고.
Stand close to each other.
Well,
서로에게 다가서고
I don't know why I put them together. Why? Okay, just
Stand
let's
close to
keep
each
going.
other.
It's two words. 서로에게 다가서고. 마주하며 결국 관계를 이어나가야 하는 것이 우리 사람의 모습.
We have to face each other and continue our relationship.
Oh man, we have to face each other and continue our relationship. To everyone. 마주하며 face. 결국 continue. I think. No. 이어 is continue. 결국. I forgot what it was. 결국. 관계를 relationship. You continue. I think I was. 나가야 하는 to keep moving forward. It's not 나가다. 나가. That's very rude. But in this context, I translated before, and it means moving forward and continue our relationship. So continue our relationship. 나가야 하는 것이 우리 사람의 모습. I don't understand the meaning of 모습. 우리 사람의 모습. Maybe our relationship. That's what it means. Yeah, probably. And then the last part. I think it's the last part. Yeah. Let's go with the last part. 그리고 사회를 이루는
And dreams of achieving society.
No, it's just that this word. I practice these words lots of times, multiple times. 긍정적인. 그리고 사회를 이루는 긍정적인 모습일 텐데 예쁜 말은 바로 이 모든 것들이 시작이 됩니다.
And it's probably the fundamental form of society, but pretty words start with all of these things.
시작이. Oh no. The last part. 것들에. Oh, this was the possessive. Okay, let's try again. 그리고 사회를 이루는
And make up
긍정적인.
society.
그리고 사회를 이루는 긍정적인 모습일 텐데 예쁜 말은 바로 이 모든 것들의 시작이 됩니다.
And it's probably the fundamental aspect of society,
I
but
say
you have to start with all of these things,
When?
not say pretty things.
그리고 사회를 이루는 society 이루다 means I forgot. And 긍정적인 I forgot everything. 긍정적인 텐데 예쁜 말은 바로 이 모든 I just get the last part. 이 모든 것들의 시작이 됩니다. Okay. 그리고 사회를 이루는 긍정적인 모습일 텐데 예쁜 말은 바로 이 모든 것들의 시작이 됩니다.
And my pretty words become the shishaki of all of these things, as if they'll show me the backbone of society.
No, my man. You're wrong. Let's go from... Okay, I already know that until mosup. I usually get it right. So I'll start from the second part. 모습일 텐데 예쁜 말은 바로 이 모든 것들의 시작이 됩니다.
That's what I'm going to say, but pretty words become the shishaki of all of these things.
Is it that difficult to get? 시작하다? 시작이 됩니다.
I try it on, too.
시작이 됩니다.
I'm get.
시작.
Let's go.
시작이 됩니다.
He hit it.
Too difficult to understand. AI doesn't get it. 시작이
Let's go.
시작이 됩니다.
I also do G-Shock.
Okay, you understood. Let's just read it last time. Just one last time. Like Ariana Grande. This is the last time. Oh no. I forgot. How is it? I forgot the song. 그리고 사회를 이루는 금박적인 모습일 텐데 예쁜 말은 바로 이 모든 것들의 시작이 됩니다.
And it's the kind of click that makes up society, and the pretty thing to say is the
근데-
shisha kid of all of these things.
Okay, I'm gonna finish here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.